Introduce reviews or features highlight before select METEESER Mirror Dash Cam Backup Camera. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you choose METEESER Mirror Dash Cam Backup Camera. Stream Media Rear View Mirror Dash Cam, your best driving companion. High resolution. Equipped with high-definition front and rear camera, video resolution, front, 1920x1080p at 30 fps, rear, 1920x 1080p at 30 fps. G-sensor. It will lock the footage when it detects a collision. Or you can double-click the screen to record and lock the video urgently when you think you need to keep evidence. Loop recording. When the storage space is full, the front and rear dash cam will automatically overwrite the earliest video segment with new files. Advanced chip. HDR wide dynamic processing technology, imaging is more clear. Intelligent anti-shake technology, the image is not blurred. Rear view camera. The length of the rear camera cable is about 20 foot, suitable for most types of cars. Reverse assistance. When the car in reversing gear, this car DVR will automatically switch to the backup camera image view with parking line. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all.